Jesse from Revamping History here. It looks like we got another delivery here that came to the Revamping History cabin here. This one's coming from Scranton, Pennsylvania. So let's see what we got here. So we've got some Chucky troll dolls here. So we got two of them here. Yes, we got two dolls here. Looks like they're Good Luck Trolls. Of course, the Chucky edition here. Perfect for this time of the year, being the Halloween. Looks fairly new. I mean, this be put out by the DreamWorks company. Of course, they're the ones that own most of the rights to Trolls nowadays. Anyone know more about this troll doll? Feel free to comment down below if you'd like to find more out about this and everything else we can about the trolls. Yeah, thanks for watching, y'all. Appreciate it. Keep tuning in. Gonna keep having these videos coming, and rock on.